Hi guys, I'm Anna Limbo and welcome back to the Printerie's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you a very chic and minimalist wallpaper we made for a child's playroom. So we made this wallpaper from scratch, we drew and painted it in different brush strokes, and we created this design especially for her. So check out this YouTube video. Thanks for watching! For more information and latest news, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok pages at theprinterie.shop. And stay tuned for our next wallpaper transformation.